A very minor coating of freezing drizzle last night on the tail end of our storm, which happens a lot with winter storms as they move through. As everything starts to wind down, you get mist in the air and it freezes on contact. And just a classic snowstorm in January across Pennsylvania. Things are now winding down, but we're going to have the lingering effects of gusty winds and then much colder temperatures pouring in throughout the course of our week, all week long. Bitterly cold Arctic air coming in. Snowfall yesterday.
Let's take a look at
the totals.
Show us those lovely totals.
14 inches. How about that at Harrisburg International? Denver, Lancaster County, 13. Red Line picking up a foot of snow. And overall, between 8 and as much as 15 inches, pretty common across south central Pennsylvania yesterday. That is now over and done with. We could see a dusting of snow in some spots on Tuesday as a reinforcing shot of cold air comes through. But overall, looks fairly dry over the next 4 or 5 days. Harrisburg Skycam this morning, the frozen Susquehanna. Ice coverage across all rivers and streams coming up over the next several days will be growing quite a bit. It's getting thicker and also wider with time. Even the faster moving waterways will likely start to freeze up here over the next few days with a lot of cold air in the pipeline. Satellite radar last couple of hours, a couple of breaks in the cloud cover. Overall, partly to mostly cloudy skies. There are flurries to the west, flurries, snow showers, Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and we'll see flakes and flurries in the air from time to time later today and also into tomorrow. And again, maybe a dusting in some cases north and west of Harrisburg, but no significant snowfall on the way over the next 4 or 5 days. The big story is going to be the drop in temperatures right now and into the about midday hour. Temperatures are, we'll say, tolerable. Upper teens to about 20 degrees. But then later this afternoon, we fall down through the teens, single digits for tonight. Cold weather advisory in effect late tonight through Tuesday morning. We'll likely do this again Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Wind chills tonight as low as 15 below, could get as low as 18 to 20 below heading into Wednesday morning. Weather impact alert through Wednesday. Today, blowing snow, falling temperatures, gusty winds, and the blowing snow most prevalent north of the Turnpike where we had less sleet and less freezing rain. Then the sub-zero wind chills right through midweek, and we'll probably continue this into Friday, maybe Saturday. Long-lasting Arctic air coming in. We'll take a look at those temperatures and your weekend forecast all coming up.